According to 76% of CEOs, climate change is the #1 risk facing them today. Climate risk is now a board-level strategic concern, and with net zero targets and rhetoric quickly spreading across the world, climate change has moved beyond the energy sector to become an all-sector issue. Failure to take appropriate steps now is likely to leave an organisation exposed to material business risks. The combined impact of these risks on assets is estimated by the Carbon Disclosure Project as $4 trillion by 2030. This is why companies need to make relevant business decisions today. Climate change can also bring corporates an opportunity, which the CDP has estimated to be around $2.1 trillion. Corporates who quickly address climate risk and decarbonisation can gain a competitive advantage by being seen as leaders amongst their peers. Companies can expect increasing expectations and regulations relating to how they monitor and manage their climate risk exposure. By 2020, all 2,000 PRI signatories must meet the recommendations of the Task Force on Climate-Related Financial Disclosures. And by 2022, all UK-listed and major companies must follow suit. The Task Force on Climate Financial Disclosures recommendations establish how companies should disclose the magnitude of financial risk they face in relation to climate change on a qualitative and quantitative basis to investors. This is a combination of both physical risks, things like weather-related impacts and sea level rises, as well as transitional risks, the impact of the regulatory and financial response to climate change. Compliance will require a climate risk assessment, future strategy to capitalise on opportunities and mitigate risks, metrics and targets to monitor progress, and incorporation into your reporting cycle. This reporting should articulate your climate narrative, demonstrating your action to the market. Companies need to assess how their assets and supply chains will perform in the future under a range of physical and transitional climate risk scenarios. Once the risks and opportunities are identified and measured, a strategy to capitalise on these can be developed and implemented. Options may include investing in low-carbon technologies, adjusting supply chains, designing and marketing new products or changing the product mix, finding new routes to market, or, in the extreme, divesting and mothballing of critically exposed assets or asset classes. KPMG can assist you in developing an end-to-end approach or help with the aspects you're finding more challenging. The energy transition has many examples of unbridled success and abject failure. Let's ensure you are part of the future. A lighter footprint for a brighter tomorrow. Climate change, it's your future.